This video is called For Madison. Woo! That's my jerk chicken popping, guys. That's my jerk chicken. You heard that pop? My jerk chicken was in the microwave. So my dear friend Madison on YouTube said that I should try bun, Jamaican Easter bun, and jerk chicken. So this is me having some Madison. I told her I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna call it Madison. I'm gonna dedicate this video to Madison. So here's my jerk chicken. I bought this yesterday at Brown's Mini Mart in Chatham. They sell food, but they also cook. Here is my Maxfield Easter bun. This is my first time having bun and jerk chicken. So here it goes for Madison. Not bad. Very strange. Oh my goodness. I've never had bun with nothing else but cheese or butter. I'm having bun and chicken. This is American. This is American. Reminds me of like chicken and pancake. Because when I just started eating pancake, I didn't imagine pancake with nothing else but syrup. Until I realized that in America they do pancake with all sorts. Huh? For Maggie. I've also got something else. Now this one is not that strange because in Jamaica we eat bulla and pear. Now bulla has some similarities to this, but it's more like between a cookie and a cake. So it's harder than this, but we're very used to having bulla and pear or avocado in Jamaica. But I thought I'm gonna try my lovely avocado that I got from the Jamaican shop yesterday. I'm gonna try it with bun. If I can have it with bulla, I can have it with Easter bun. So here goes. And I absolutely love avocado. So I'm having this right now. That's what I'm gonna do now. Avocado, bun, and chicken. Craving dance. I'm saying if you eat and dance, you're greedy. My dry chicken, not pepper. So guess what? I'm gonna add some. You can't see this. Let's make you see this. Still can't see this. Here we go. I'm gonna add some pepper. And then I'm gonna have now it's proper jerk chicken because it's peppery. See that? Yeah, yeah, I can feel it on my tongue. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm, mm, mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Very delicioso. Mm-hmm. Very yummy. Mm. 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 That pepper sauce is nice. Like this used to be red. Why is it not red? This is the peppers that they use to make this one. But that's hot. It's burning my ears now. Mm. Mm. For Maddie. That's got bone in it. Let me just put off the flesh now. Mm-hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. It's exactly like eating chicken and bread, but the bread is sweet. The bread is not breading, the bread is bunning. Mm-hmm. And spice. Would have had spice anyway with the bread. Mm-hmm. And another bite. And another little bite. And another little bite. Till it's gone. Mm, 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 mm. First time for everything, right? That's right. Mm-hmm. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Julie and Nishan, for staying with me while I did my canos. And Demetra's back. So I'm just eating and then I'm going to go get my hair done. See y'all later. Bye.